Welcome back. Here with us on Bazaar Morning Call. And Amisha Vora, Chairperson and Managing Director at Prabhudas Lilladher, is with us now. Amisha, good morning. Thanks very much for joining, and always great to talk to you. I want to start off by an interesting, potentially interesting development on the railway side, right? We all remember what happened to a stock like RVNL over the last 2 months. They got this Vande Bharat order, and from, I think, 64, 65, the stock shot up to 120 plus, right? Now we're hearing maybe there will be a rebid, maybe there's some problem with their joint venture. How are you looking at this? Because these stocks have been really overheated. I mean, whether it's Titagarh, BHL, the entire lot. Do you still like this as a pocket of the market? And how would you approach it if that's the case?
See, as a pocket of market, the railway wagon or railway stocks are definitely going to do very well, because Vande Bharat order either will go, in case of this problem being real, to L2 or rebidding. But the order is definitely going to go ahead, and that's when the action will happen. And most of the financial tie-up for these kind of capex is very well done. So I believe that the railway stocks per se will continue to do very well, whether these three PSUs or beyond.
Amisha, hi, good morning, and always great chatting with you on the channel. You know, it's very perplexing to see how some of these private banks like Kotak Mahindra Bank are coming off. I mean, in the month of June alone, Kotak is down over 10%. What do you do here? Do you buy the dip? And what explains this underperformance?
So there are a couple of things here. In terms of quality, nobody has any questions as far as Kotak Bank is concerned. But the way the dynamics in the private sector banking is changing, and of course, the way ICICI Bank resurrected their entire strategy, basis which their growth, asset quality, ROA and ROE is on an improvement path. So there, the investors got a good delta. As we stand also, we think that the combination of HDFC Bank, post a little initial hiccup in terms of some of the mutual funds 10% limit, etc., will have huge runway in terms of business growth because of cross-selling. So in that scenario, while Kotak Bank on its own is doing extremely well, I believe that the comparative landscape of private sector bank changing is leading to little change in weight and underperformance in the stock, as it was very well priced even before.
No, my question was more, what to do with the stock now if you own it. I mean, should you be selling out? Should you be churning? But I'll come to that in a bit.